Hey guys, it's Brandon again. So the other day we did a video on how you can install Steam on the Chrome OS Flex, and I got it running here, and installing it works fine. But I didn't actually. I'm not much a gamer, so I didn't play a lot. But now that I have played around with it, I feel pretty comfortable saying that gaming on Chrome OS Flex right now is a no-go, unless it's a web game. And so that's the bottom line of the video. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you why. First of all, there's no Android support. So all the games that could possibly run pretty good on this thing, which are probably Android games, are currently not supported. So that's one thing. The second thing, running Steam through Linux. Now that I messed around with it, it's not that great. So to start off, what got me going down this rabbit hole is somebody asked me to test out CS:GO on Chrome OS Flex. So I did. I tried to. First of all, I had no idea CS:GO almost 30 gigs in size. So if you're going to even attempt this, one thing you need to realize when you first set up your Linux environment on Chrome OS Flex, they default you to 10 gigs, and a lot of laptops don't have that much space. So when you're allocating space to your Linux distribution, you got to make sure to crank that way up if you're going to try to install Linux software. Because I tried CS:GO. That was almost 30 gigs. I was going to try Civ 6, but that's also almost 30 gigs. Between the two of them, I couldn't really install anything else. So that's one thing to keep in mind. These games take up a ton of space. Moving on though, speaking of CS:GO, I downloaded it, installed it, wouldn't launch. Couldn't get it to launch at all. Don't know why, but that was the story with that. So I'm going to say that does not work on here. Then I'd already installed previously the original Half-Life, and it starts up and it runs, but I've noticed some things about it that make it unplayable. First of all, you can't change the resolution. I don't know why. But second of all, you can't, with the mouse, look backwards. And it seems like the windows are not able to properly capture the mouse pointer. And so your range of looking is limited to like when your mouse gets to the edge of the screens. So that means you can really only look in front of you and side to side. It doesn't work. So that makes that unplayable unless you're totally playing with a keyboard, which is not great. I mentioned in one of my videos, I tried Minecraft. It installs and it launches, but you can't get into a world. Not good. Finally, I tried Portal, and it installed. It runs. It actually looks good when you get in the game. You can change the resolution on Portal, but again, you can't look around with your mouse, and it's laggy, super laggy. Now, some of these problems might be due to this laptop I have is arguably a piece of junk laptop, but I mean, some of the technical problems where you can't even look around, those are deal breakers. And I suspect if I would have got Minecraft to actually run, it would have had the same issue. So I'd say in its current state, as of March 2022, Chrome OS Flex is not good for gaming, unless of course you're playing a web game like My Colony. It's going to work perfectly on Chrome OS Flex. So I'd suggest you search for that on your Google and play that game. I made this game. This is kind of a plug. Anyway, so that's what I'll say about that. There is maybe some hope for the future. I saw apparently Steam and Google are working on bringing an official Steam for Chromebooks at some point. So that might actually improve the situation quite a bit. And if that happens, I will bring that information to you. And also, if they get Android apps working on this, that would probably go a long way to making gaming work on this because there's a ton of games on Android. But as of right now, if your primary thing is gaming, it's not ready. It doesn't work good. Don't waste your time trying to turn this into a gaming machine because it's not going to work. And it sucks to just bring bad news, but that's what the deal is on that front. So anyway, if you had better luck, you can let me know in the comments. I'd be super surprised if you did, but at any rate, thanks for watching. I hope you all have a good day and stay tuned for more.